Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday the 10th, I want to say. Yes, Saturday the 10th. On my way to a farmer's market. Welcome to the last vlog on the left. And I'm going to a farmer's market in Rancho Cucamonga. It is a very windy day here in Fontana. I'm on my way over. And I'm going to try this out on my new little... It is known as a thumb style sports camera. From the company called NUISK. It's spelled NUISK, and we're going to see what it looks like and how it sounds, and maybe it's something that you want to get, and maybe it's something that I might want to keep using. So let's go. So before we enter into the farmer's market, one thing I forgot to mention. Everything is being recorded hands-free. So I have it attached to a lanyard that's magnetic, and it's under my shirt. So I'm just going to be walking around with it attached to my chest, basically. Hope that helps. Okay, I'm here at the farmer's market. It's right over here. It's not a very huge farmer's market, but it does seem to be very busy. It's not really windy over here. There's a breeze. Definitely not like Fontana. Let's walk around and see what we can get. Put in my backpack. Forgot the backpack in the car.
I've never done it. She makes that in a salad dressing. It does pretty well. She puts it in her vinegar. I've made a lot of connections actually, like doing the cars over here. Yeah, actually like salads, when I first started, people shrimp, white taster, we got sourdough cinnamon roll, sourdough banana bread. Right here. That's it. 2 of them are right here. Have a sample. Yeah, there's 2 of them in there, 100% vegan, because there's no weight in there.
And we have samples of almost everything.
Just a heads up, all those.
Morning.
Okay. That'll be 3.5
today.
Still keep saying
Take advantage of it. That's what I did when I was
We have our brand new mints.
every
places. It is very busy. Very noisy. They used to have two trucks right here, snack trucks that would sit right here in this area. It's empty right now.
Just a vanilla. That's latte. I like coffee.
Fresh breads, fresh bakery. A lot of carbs, a lot of diabetes.
Pre-gaming all night.
And I'm looking at them, I'm like, oh, yeah. Now it's fresh.
No.
Yes, I did.
No. When I got home by myself.
But I burned more long. I added a little bit to it. I added that's how you see me by myself. I don't know if you remember my sister.
I forget.
That's pretty much the whole place. There's not much to it. They're selling some mushrooms and oils.
Okay. Yeah.
More on the way. Yeah, but if you go up there.
Okay. Hello, how are you? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. You need a plastic bag? Oh, she got it. She got it. I'm late. Again, what's the... Do you want me to see if they have it? Okay, let's try it. Let's try going in.
Are you getting sausage?
Okay, so for parents, I'm gonna put this. The Lechura has a condensed milk, but everything else is not there.
Do you want some meat? When he's gone, I will do a lot of his yes.
Come right here. We have a 12-step program. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I can follow the Instagram, so I may
But yeah, I see what you mean. It is good that he does have a lawyer to have somebody to be able to talk for him, you know, and be able to check out what they're telling him.
I think I'll get myself a piping hot caffeinated beverage from Mr. Baker and cafe. So walking in here, this place had music going. So without having to worry about a copyright strike, I decided just to mute this. So walking in here, I was thinking, I'll just get a cup of coffee. Then I went to the end of the line. I stopped before I made it there, looked around, saw that they were busy, and decided to nope myself out of there. Not gonna wait in line for about 20 minutes for a cup of coffee. I could be home by then. So, yeah. Decided not to get the cup of coffee because it seemed that they were busy and I didn't feel like waiting in line. Let's head back to the vehicle. Okay, so that was the farmer's market. Didn't really talk a whole lot. I just wanted to do the ambient sound of it, so it wasn't much of a vlog. It was more of a walk-ish vlog. The place is small. It's not much really to say. It have a lot of fresh fruits, a couple of stands, coffee places, food stalls. It's not a really big place. It's really one of those where you just take a quick stroll, get what you want, maybe get a bite to eat and take off. I hope this camera picked up everything okay. I hope the audio, or I should say the microphone, picks up everything okay. It should. And in here it should be just fine as well. So hopefully this helped you decide if you want to get this particular thumb size action camera. It's supposed to take over a GoPro. I don't know which GoPro, but a GoPro. The camera costs around between $50 and $70, give or take. Depends on where you get it. I got this off the TikTok shop, so hopefully it'll maybe give you an idea if it's something you want. So if you don't want it, you don't have to, because you saw what the video is. Oh, and I recorded everything on hands-free. It comes with a pendant that you put under your shirt, and it's magnetic. You just clip it on, hit record, and walk around. And that's all I did. So hopefully this will help you out. Take care, and I will see you on the next one. Leave already. Go. Shoo. Penguin.